Hello, dear learners. Good morning. Hopefully, everyone is keeping well. I'm also well too, by the grace of Almighty. Today, I'm ready with my second consecutive class on special use of some phrases or words. You see, question number 3. As I have told you in my previous class that this is a new class, you must be keen on learning this topic, and it will help you get 5 marks because it's an easy topic among all the 12 topics regarding grammar. So let's see what's has been provided today. Look, topic special use of phrase slash words, question number 3. And today I have put as many as 8 phrases that may seem to you new. So be attentive. First of all, you see it slash there. And you know it's introductory, it's both it and there. The terms are known as introductory it or introductory there. See, it is raining cats and dogs. We can't say anything else rather than using it. Again, there are 65 students in this class. Without there, we can't form such sentence. So, in both cases, you are to use it or there. So, as they become at the beginning or early part, that's why they are known as introductory it and introductory there. Dear learners, our next phrase is be born. Interesting one. I told you in my previous class too. Could be am born, was born, is born, were born, etc. But usually in case of singular noun or pronoun, we use was born. The question is why? Why? Because this particular verb is always used in the passive form, and we can't say I am born. It's not correct at all. Though I am alive, I must say I was born. A date, a previous date. That's why it's always in the past form, you see, but there's exception here too, such as a nostril is not born in all ages, or a human is not born overnight, like this. So, except those exceptional sentences, we usually use was born. That's why it has been called special phrase. Our next word or phrase is would rather. Would rather in Bangla we say boron or boronso. In English we say instead of, and we mean to accept a better option or situation. Look at the example sentence here. I would rather die than follow the path of dishonesty. Dishonesty is itself a path of survival, but disliked by almost all. That's why I have chosen to the verb or situation to die, and I would rather die. আমি বরঞ্চ মারা যাব, তবু অসততার পথ অবলম্বন করব না. Look at the sentence and its meaning, and hopefully you understood the internal meaning of this phrase would rather. And next one is had better. Had better, it gives the meaning of should, but in a stressed form. You see, is this form of should to make suggestion. Usually, whenever we use should, we make a suggestion such as you should follow the path of honesty, you should obey your parents, etc. You should study regularly, etc. And whenever we put a little bit more stress, we can say you had better study more than wasting your time on Facebook. Like this, had better, you had better, the weather is very foul, we had better postpone the match today. আবহাওয়া খুবই খারাপ, আজকের মতো বরং আমাদের উচিত ম্যাচটি স্থগিত করা উচিত এর অর্থে as I told you, you had better study regularly instead of using too much Facebook. So I hope you understood the phrase had better. Our next phrase is let alone. An interesting phrase it is, you see. Let alone. By let alone we mean ছেড়ে দাও, in Bangla ছেড়ে দাও, বাদ দাও, ভুলে যাও, etc. ও কথা দূরে থাক বা এরকমই কিছু একটা মিন করতে ব্যবহৃত হচ্ছে। So let's see, leave the idea for the fact of that could be but didn't happen. Look at the example. He was not able to walk, let alone run. If we make the Bangla meaning of it, it comes সে হাঁটতেই পারে না, দৌড়ানো তো দূরে থাক বা দৌড়ানোর কথা বাদই দিলাম, it is. So I think you understood the meaning of let alone. I can't buy a bicycle, let alone a car. আমি একটা বাইসাইকেলই কিনতে পারি না, গাড়ির কথা তো দূরে থাক, it is. Our next phrase is what if. You see, it gives the meaning of what will happen if something is done or occurred. Suppose you are expected to do something but you have forgotten, or there is a possibility that you won't do it. What will happen then? In dealing with this such situation, we usually use what if. Look at the example here. What if he forgets to bring the camera? Suppose you have gone on a picnic, or you are expecting to go on a picnic, and someone has to be assigned to bring a camera, but if he forgets to bring the camera, what will happen? You want to know. So if something happens, what will happen as a result of it? To deal with this such situation, we use this phrase what if. একটু বাংলায় যদি বলি যে কোনো একটি কিছু করার উচিত ছিল বা করা হবে বলে আশা করা হচ্ছে, যদি সেটা না করা হয় তবে কি ঘটবে, তাহলে তার পরিণতি কি হবে, এমন আশঙ্কা কথা বা আশঙ্কার উত্তর জানতে গিয়ে আমরা what if ইউজ করি। So dear learners, I think you have understood the use of it. Our next phrase is what's dash dash like. What is or what was etc. Instead of making question with how, we may use what dash dash like. Look at the example word here. How was your exam? তোমার পরীক্ষা কেমন হয়েছিল? To express such expression, we may also use what was your exam like. তোমার পরীক্ষা কেমন ছিল বা কেমন হয়েছিল? So, suppose you have attended a party and your mom is asking how was the party. Instead of using how, she may ask you what was the party like. So it's very easy. You may remember, instead of using how, you can use what dash dash like to form same sort of question. Our today's last phrase is here. What does dash dash look like? And we usually use these sort of phrases to know a strengthening inner or an imaginary thing or an unusual thing. And while we use this phrase to form any question, we want to know about it. Kono kichu dekhte kemon? The thing we don't have any idea about. We usually want to know such thing, making question with this sort of phrase. Look at the example word. What does a fairy look like? Perhaps you have heard about fairy, but you didn't see it, and you may ask your friend or mom or your teacher or somebody else, what does a fairy look like? It's saying, as you use how does a fairy look like, instead of how, you use what. It's little bit similar to this one too. So dear learners, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the class, and if you open the chapter, go to the chapter and read a little more, practice from model question or practice from board questions, it will be very easier than any other topic of your grammar. So I hope you will do that. And pandemic COVID-19 is going on, so I would like to advise you to stay home as much as possible, so that you remain safe and sound. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.